Did everyone can able to listen my voice?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, PDF காமிக்கும்போது நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதா?
இல்ல சார், அப்ப கேட்கல சார்.
Okay, be wait. There is a problem with that app. Okay, I will exit from the meeting. I will rejoin again. Okay, now everyone can able to listen my voice.
Yes sir.
Okay, okay. Let's continue the class. Okay, today we are going to see about coding and decoding. Okay, coding and decoding means here they will give you a word. Okay, a word or a sentence. It will be coded in a coding means which is nothing but the word or a sentence gets scrambled in a different way. Okay, but it has some particular method it is to be transformed. Okay, we need to find that method. By that we can, yes. Okay, coding and decoding means this is comes under logical reasoning topic. Okay, here coding means they will give you some one word or one sentence. Okay, with some it's code. Okay, like look into the first question. In a certain code, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. Okay, that is a code word for computer. Okay, in that way they will give you a word and its code. After that you need to find how computer is changed into RFUVQNPC. After that you need to change medicine into the same type of code. Okay, that is the thing you want to do. Clear? In another one type of question is this one. They will give you a sentence. Okay, here look here. They will give you some code words like DUGOHUIMUL is a true. Stands for work is very hard, and HUIDUGOBAKI for Bingu is very smart. Like that they will give you some sentence with there is a code for sentence also. Okay, what you need to do is you need to find a code word for a particular way, particular word they have asked. Okay, for example, here they are asking what is the code word for bingo, which is present in the second code words, that is HUDUGOBAKI for bingo is very hard. Here bingo is present, isn't it? So you need to find what is the code word for bingo. In the type of question also they will ask. Okay, is that clear? This kind of normally word and its code word, sentence or its code word. This two type of question only they will ask in coding and decoding. Normally coding means which is nothing but it's a normal word will be rearranged in a particular format. Okay, it cannot be determined by intermediate persons except your recipient. Okay, for that this coding is helpful. நார்மலி கோடிங்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஒரு வேர்டை ஒரு வேர்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய லெட்டர்ஸை ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. சரிங்களா, ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ஃபார்மேட்ல தான் ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா, அந்த ஃபார்மேட் நீங்க யார்கிட்ட இந்த கோட் வேர்டை சொல்றீங்களோ, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்க வந்து ஒருத்தர்கிட்ட கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணணும், பட் இன் பிட்வீன் சம்ஒன் இஸ் தேர், அவங்க வந்து அந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸை தெரிஞ்சுக்க கூடாது, பட் ரெசிபியன்ட் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அப்படின்னா அதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றது தான் இந்த மாதிரி கோட் வேர்ட்ஸ், கோடிங், டிகோடிங் இதெல்லாமே. சரிங்களா, இஸ் தட் கிளியர்? like a encryption or decryption, encryption and decryption. Okay, is that clear? ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டின் போகும்போது உங்களுக்கு கிளியரா புரியும் சரிங்களா. let's we move on to the questions. In a certain code, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. How medicine is written in that same code? That is the first question. Here, how they are coded, that is the thing you want to find. After that only you can able to code for medicine. Clear? COMPUTER. First thing you need to do is count the number of letters in the word they have given under the code word. Okay, here they have given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, there are 8 words is there, isn't it? Clear? In the computer. Also count the code word. RFU 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, totally here also 7 is there. Okay, so the code word for each and every letter in the word they have given, that is computer, is equal to one code word. One letter in computer is equal to the one word in the code word. Okay, that is we understood from this. After that, so medicine also contains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here medicine also 8 letters, so its code word also 8 letters. Okay, that is the thing we found here. After that, okay, after that what you need to do is, okay, after that what you need to do is look into the how the computer is changed into RFU VQNPC. That is the thing you want to understand. Here what they have did is they moved the first word C into the first letter of the computer is moved to the last letter of the code word. In the same way, the last letter of the computer, that is R, is moved to the first letter of the code word. Okay, here. After that, what they have did is each and every letter contain each and in the computer OMPUTER. There are many letters is there. What is the next letter of P? Next letter of O, P, isn't it? So that P will be moved to the code word before C. Okay, before the last letter in the code word. Clear? In the same way it is reversed. Clear? O means, for example, COMPUTER. This is computer, and its code word, how it is rearranged means, here R came here, COMPUTER. Okay, here R came here and C came here. R. Okay, after that what is the letter after O? L, M, N, O, P, isn't it? So here P will be moved to here. Next, what is the next letter of M? N, isn't it? Next letter of M is N. Here O. Here P means Q. Here U means V. T means U. Isn't it? Isn't it or not? E, F. So these are all moved to here. M means N. P means Q. U means V. T means U. And E means F. Clear? R, F, U, V, Q, N, P, C. Okay, this is the, in this way only they have changed computer into the code word R, F, U, V, Q, N, P, C. Okay, this is the format they have did. Okay, in the same way you need to do for medicine. Clear? Here, let's we do for medicine here. Medicine. Okay, this is the medicine they have given. The word is. So what you need to do first? Need to move the E at first and the M to the last, isn't it? Clear? So from this you can choose two options. You can eliminate two options from the given amongst the given options, isn't it? Because the first letter is E. Here B and D option only contains the starting letter E. So others wrong. Clear? After that, what is the next letter of N? O. What is the next letter of I? J. What is the next letter of C? D. What is the next letter of I? Again J. What is the next letter of D? E. What is the next letter of E? F. What is the okay? Let's we change it. Here E means F. Here next D. E. Next J. Next D. Next J. Next O. Isn't it? So the code word for medicine is EOJDJEFM, isn't it? So the answer is option D. Clear? Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's we move to the next question. In the language, okay, in a code language, A is written as B, B is written as C, C is written as D, and so on. Then how will smart be written in that code? That is the thing they are asking. Okay, here first you need to understand. A is written as B, B is written as C, C is written as D. Means in the same way you need to consider for A to Z. Okay. Next, what they have given is smart. S M A R T, isn't it? So here S means here B is the next letter of A, C is the next letter of B, D is the next letter of C. That is the code words. Okay. Here we need to write the next letters of each and every letter of smart. That is the code word for smart. Clear? Clear? Okay. What is the next letter of S? T. What is the next letter of M? N. What is the next letter of A? B. Next letter of R? S. Next letter of T? U. T N B S U. That is answer C. Here. Did everyone can able to understand how I am forming the code word?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's we move on to the next question. Here, look into the third question. In a certain code, Ripple is written as 613382 and life is written as 8192. How is pillar written in that code? That is the thing they are asking. Okay. Here, first thing you need to do is how many letters are there in the Ripple? There are 6 letters. and the corresponding code word also 6. So there is no problem with that. We have one code word for one letter. Okay. Next letter is life, L-I-F-E, and its code word is 8192. It is also 44. So no problem with that. So we can consider R means 6, I means 1. In the same way we can consider. After that, what they are from the given code word and the word we can say that P. There are two letters present in the ripple, isn't it? In the same way, to its corresponding code word, there is two numbers. That is 3, 3 in the middle, isn't it? So we can say that P means 3, I means 1, R means 6, and L means 8, and E means 2. Okay. In the same way, you may raise a question. Only P only have to here its corresponding number is 2. So we can look into the life. Here E means 2, isn't it? In the same way, ripple also E means 2, isn't it? So we can say the code word for each and every letter is its number present in the question. Okay. So we can replace them. For pillar, P means what is the number they have given? 3, isn't it? P-I-L-L-E-R. Okay. Pillar. That is the word they are asking. So P means 3, isn't it? So we can write 3. I means here also I is there. Here also I is there. Here I is 1. There also I is 1. So I means 1. L means 8, isn't it? Here also 8. So we can put 8, 8. E means 2. R means 6. Clear? So this is the answer. Option A will be the answer. Clear? Yes, we move on to the next sum. Yes, we move to the next sum. Okay, I consider this silent as S. One question is missed. Yes. In a certain code word, flower is coded as 36 and a sunflower is coded as 81, and then how to code follows. That is the thing they are asking. Okay, I read it slowly. Here, flower is coded as 36. That means flower, how many letters are there in flower? 6, isn't it? And sunflower, 9 letters. For flower 6, sunflower 9, isn't it? Totally 9. Then how to code follows? That is the thing they are asking. Okay, look into the numbers. Flowers means 36. Next, sunflower means 81. I think you can able to relate 36 with 6 and 81 with 9, isn't it? Because 6 square is 36, 9 square is 81, isn't it? So they are assigning the code words like its square value, isn't it? For example, flower is given means the count of the letter has get squared. That is 6 squared equal to 36. In the same way, you need to square the count of the letter count of the follows. Clear? Here follow is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? 7. So 7 square is 49, isn't it?
49.
So the answer, yeah. So the answer will be B. Option B. Clear? Clear?
Sir.
Okay, let's we move on to the next question. Here, in a certain code, this one is little bit tricky. In the while starting the class, I had said they will give you a sentence and its code word two, isn't it? They will give you a word with a code word. You need to find a code word for another one word. That is one type of question. In the second type of question, they will give you sentence and its code word. After that, they will ask you what is the code word for a particular word which is present amongst the sentence. Okay, clear? Clear? Let's we move on to the question. In a certain code, 1 minute. One minute. One minute. Your attendance only ready. Okay. Finished. In a certain code, ILBEPWE means roses are blue. SIKHEE means red flowers. And PWMIT he means flowers are vegetables. How is red written in that code? That is the thing they are asking. Clear? Who is that? Okay. In a certain code, LBP means roses are blue and SIKHE means red flowers and he means flowers are vegetables. How is red written in that code? That is the thing they are asking. First thing they have given like this question means first thing what you need to do is first write down the code words with its corresponding sentences first. Okay, after that after what you need to do is compare the first two sentences. Here compare the first two sentences. Is there any common code word is shared between these two sentences? From I'm asking first two sentences only. No, isn't it? Because il, be, p, sick, he. There is no common code word shared between first sentence and second one, isn't it? So you need to move to the second and third. Is there any common code word shared between second and third? Yes, isn't it? He, so, yeah, word is also must be same between second sentence and the third one, isn't it? That is flowers. So mark it. After that, compare third one with the first one. Is there any common? Is there any common code word is present? Is there? No. So let's see. End with this stuff. Now look into the question. What they are asked, how red is written in that code. Red, they are asking the code for red, isn't it? Here look into the second sentence. We found that he means flower. The remaining code word in the second sentence is sick only. So we can say sick is the code word for red, isn't it? So the answer must be sick. Option B. Clear? Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay. Let's
Sir, your audio is
Sir.
not here, sir.
என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேட்கலையாப்பா இந்நேரம்?
No sir, no sir.
பிடிஎஃப்ல இருக்கும்போது கேட்கவே இல்லையா?
Yes, sir. கேட்கல சார். இப்பதான் கேட்குது சார்.
ஓகே 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 வெயிட் அ மினிட். Okay. Now can you able to hear my voice?
Not audible, sir.
Okay, okay. Wait. It's a issue with the app. Okay. I will do it
No,
again.
it's audible, sir.
Yes. When I speaking in front of the app means it is audible, but when I move to that is switching to PDF means can't able to hear, isn't it? Wait a minute. I will rejoin again. Now everyone can able to see my screen.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Now everyone can able to hear my voice.
Yes sir.
நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதாப்பா?
கேக்குது சார், கேக்குது சார்.
Please anyone reply me pa.
Yes sir, yes sir. Audible sir.
Yes, sir.
Did everyone can able to listen my voice? Yes. Now நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதுங்களா?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Reply to me pa.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Did everyone can able to listen my voice?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Did everyone can able to listen my voice or not pa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Did everyone listening here? But the problem is you can't hear. Voice is audible. but
Sir,
the
is it
problem-
audible, sir?
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now everyone can able to listen my voice. இப்ப கேக்குதா?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry.
sir.
Okay. Sorry. Here இந்த கொஸ்டின் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலையா அப்பயே உங்களுக்கு கேட்காம போயிடுச்சா?
எஸ் சார் அப்பவே கேட்கல சார்.
ஓகேப்பா, அப்ப இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்தே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண இந்த கொஸ்டின். Here, look into the question. In a certain code language, DUGO, HUI, is that what stands for work is very hard. HUI, DUGOBA, for bingo is very smart. And NANO, MUL, DUGO for cake is hard. And MUL, KIGU for smart and hard. Okay. Here, the sentences, the code words they have given us this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, these are all code words they have given. What you need to do is to find out what is the code word for bingo. Okay, these are all the code words for this sentence, and for this sentence. Okay, clear? You need to find the code word for bingo, which is present in the second sentence. Clear? First thing what you need to do is write down the code words and its corresponding sentences first. After that, compare the first two sentences. Is there any common code word is there? Round it with its corresponding words. Okay, here DUGO is common and HUI is also common. Okay, so here very, and the work, another one is work is hard, is, isn't it? Is. This two words and its corresponding code word is same in both the, if present in both the sentences, isn't it? So what we need is code word for bingo. We can't say the code BA as the code word for bingo or KI be the code word for bingo, because we have a alternative word present in second one. So we need to compare it with other sentences too. Okay, compare the second sentence with the third one. Is there any common code word shared? No. So we need to compare the second one to fourth one. Is there any common code word is shared? Yes, key, isn't it? Here key is there. Here smart is there. So the code word for bingo is the remaining word in the sentence is bingo only, and its corresponding code word remains is BA. So we found the answer as option D. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's we move on to the next question. எப்படி ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியுது அப்படின்றது புரியுது இல்லையா? புரியுது இல்லையாப்பா?
புரியுது sir.
Okay, let's we move on to the next question. If seventh question, if rain is called water, water is called air, air is called cloud, cloud is called sky, sky is called sea, sea is called road, where do the aeroplanes fly? That is the thing they are asking. Okay, here the find out உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சரை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நீங்க இங்க ஆன்சர் இருக்கிறதால அப்படியே கூட நீங்க ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கலாம். பட் எப்படி ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது அப்படின்றது தான் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. சரியா? How to find the answer, the way you need to know. Okay, that is the important thing here. Okay, here in this question what they have said is water is air, air is cloud. Okay, first letter they have given is water, isn't it? Water is air, water became air, air became air become cloud, cloud become sky, sky is now sea, C is now road. So where the aeroplane fly? That is the thing they are asking. Clear? Okay. Did everyone able to listen? Yes, I think so. What they are asking, normally flight means they fly on the sky, isn't it? But look into the question, they saying that sky is now sea, isn't it? So here the answer is C. Clear? Clear? Let's move
Yes,
on to
sir.
the next question. For example, if someone asks where the car will go, means what is the answer? What is the answer? Road only, because road is road. It doesn't become anything, isn't it? Let's we move on to the next question. Eighth one. If orange is called a lemon, lemon is called a flower, flower is called a fish, fish is called tail, and tail is called pen. What is rose? That is the thing they are asking. Okay. Here, orange, orange became lemon. Lemon is now flower. Flower is now fish. Fish is now tail. Tail is now pen. Okay. What they are asking is, what is rose? Normally, when someone is asking, what is rose? Flower, isn't it? Is there any flower? Is there? Yeah, flower is there amongst the words they have given, isn't it? Orange, lemon. Third one is flower. Flower is now fish, isn't it? So the answer is fish. Clear? Clear? Let's we move on to the next question. I think these questions are very easy. Next question here. In a certain code language, yes, hashtag asterisk means shirt is clean. At the hashtag means clean and neat. And at question mark means neat boy. Then what is the code for and in that language? That is the thing they are asking. Okay. Here, this one is easy. First thing. What you need to do is, yes, hashtag asterisk. Write the symbols with its corresponding sentences. After that, mark the common symbols and the corresponding words amongst the sentences. Okay, first consider the first sentence with the second one. Here, what is the common symbol present in between first sentence and the second one? Hashtag, isn't it? So mark hashtag as well as clean, the word. That is the one common between first and the second sentence. So hashtag means we can say clean. What they are asking and, isn't it? So we need to find the symbol for code word for and. Next, compare the anything else between first and second sentence. No. We compare the second one with the third one. Neat boy at question mark and at neat at. So there is a common word neat, isn't it? And the common symbol at, isn't it? So the remaining code word in the second sentence is D and the remaining word in the second sentence is and. So we can say that D is the code word for and, isn't it? Isn't it? isn't it? Answer is option B, that is D. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's we move on to the next one. Next question. Here 10th one. If A stands for plus, B stands for minus, C stands for multiplication, that is into. What is the value for 10C4, A 4C4, B 6? Okay. Here you need to substitute the symbols corresponding to its letters. Okay. Here how means 10. C means what is the symbol corresponding to C? Into, isn't it? So 10 into 4. Okay, and A means plus, isn't it? Plus, and 4C4. C means we know into 4 into 4. And B means minus 6. Here 10 fours are 40 plus 4 fours are 16 minus 6, isn't it? 16 minus 6, 10 plus 40 equal to 50, isn't it? Answer is 50. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's we move on to the next question. Here. Yeah. Here in a code language, if POS, P-O-S-C is coded as O-Q-N-P-R-T-D-F, then the word type will be coded as. That is the thing they are asking, okay? Here, what you need to do is look into the words, number of letters in the word. 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? P-O-S-E, 4 letters is there. Here look into the number of letters in the code word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. The word is 4 letter, code word is 8. So each and every letter in the word corresponding to 2 letters as code word, isn't it? So type also in the same way we need to code. Clear? After that, look into the code word O-Q-N-P-R-T-D-F. Look like the word, the letter and its next letter, or the letter, their distance is very small, isn't it? O-L-M-N-O-P-Q. O-P-Q, isn't it? So in between P is there. Next consider N-P. L-M-N-O-P. In between O is there, isn't it? So what they have did is they are converting each and every letter into a code word by writing the previous letter and the next letter of that corresponding letter in the word. Okay, for example, P means the previous letter is O, next letter is Q. O means the previous letter is N, next letter is P, and S means the previous letter is R, next letter is T. For E means previous letter is D, next letter is F, isn't it? So P means this is the code word, O means this is the, S means this is the code word, E means this is the code word. Okay, in that way only they formed this code word. Here, then we have to form the code word for type in the same way they have created. Clear? Let's we do that. Here T, that is, sorry, T, that is the first letter they have given. What is the previous letter of T? Yes. Next letter of T, U. So P means yes, U will be the code word. Next letter is Y. What is the previous letter of Y? X. Next letter of Y is Z. Next, this is the code word for Y. Next is P. What is the previous letter of P? O. What is the next letter of P? Q. Okay, this is the code word for P. Next, E. What is the previous letter of E? D. What is the next letter of E? F. So we can say the code word is SUXZ Okay, here SUXZ and OQ and DF here. This is the answer. These are all wrong one. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear, Pa? Let's we move on to the next question. Did anyone have any doubt? Did anyone have any doubt? Let's we move on to the next sum. Okay, I think no one have any doubt. Let's we move on to the next question. In a certain code, Boxer is written as AQWGQ. How visit is written in that code? Okay. In a certain code, Boxer is written as AQWGQ. How visit is written in that code? That is the thing they are asking. Okay. Here, first thing, in the same way, you need to count the number of letters. Okay. There are 5 letters is there in the Boxer. Code word also 5. So we don't need to consider 2 code word for 1 letter. Here, one letter means 1 code word. Okay, so we need to find that 1 code word for each and every letter for visit. Clear? Here B, and the first letter is B, and in the code word first letter is A. Okay, next letter O, and the next letter in the code word is Q, isn't it? After that, B previous letter is A. After that, O means LMN OPQ. OPQ, isn't it? The next letter of O is Q, isn't it? In the same way for X, in the same way for E. In the same way, and the previous letter for R is Q. So what they have did is the previous letter of B and R is assigned as a code word for B and R, and for OXE means their next letter will be the code word. Here I will write it, you can understand it. BOXER. Okay, Boxer. B's previous letter is A. O means the next letter is OPQ, isn't it? O means. Here they have written Q as the code word, isn't it? And here X means X, Y, Z, isn't it? Sorry. U, V, W, X. 1 minute. Oh, everything is moving. I need to draw. Boxer. Boxer. B means A, previous letter. O means O P Q. P Q. O P Q. Okay. Next letter is X. U P W. O X. W X Y Z. W X Y Z. In that way it will come, isn't it? X means previous letter W. Yes. Here Q, here the previous letter. After that E means E F G F G H. The previous letter is G, isn't it? E F G. The next letter is G here. Oh. Okay, pa. Okay. What they have did is Boxer, Boxer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Here in odd terms, in odd letters, okay, odd position letters, they are using the previous letter as a code word. For a even positioned letter means they using the next letter as its code word. Clear? Clear? Clear or not? Let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Purinja, last question.
Yes, sir. Puriti, sir.
Okay. Next question. If paper is written as OZO DQ and a pencil can be written in that code, how pencil can be written in that code? Okay, that is the thing they are asking. If paper is written as OZO DQ, how pencil can be written in that code? That is the thing they are asking. Okay, clear? Here, you need to find how. What they have did is they wrote the previous letters of each and every letter of paper as its code word. Clear? Here P means O, A means Z, P means again O, E means D, and R means Q. Clear? In the same way, for P means O, E means previous letter is D, N. Previous letter is M. Previous letter is P. Previous letter of I is H. Previous letter of L is K. Clear? In this way they have coded. I think everyone will understand this more easily. It is very easy question only. Let's move on to the next one. Here, in a certain code, boy is written as $, asterisk, question mark, and hover is written as at asterisk question mark 0. How is Ruby written in that code? How Ruby is written in that code? That is the thing they are asking. Clear? First thing, BOY. Their symbol is dollar asterisk question mark. After that, hour. HOUR. At asterisk question mark 0. After that, how Ruby is coded. Here the common word they have used is 0OO, that is asterisk only. Okay, remaining are all corresponding to its letters. So we can say that R means O. R means O. Next, U. U means question mark. Next one is B. B means dollar symbol. Next one is Y. Y means question mark. Okay. So the answer is 0 question mark dollar question mark. Answer is option A. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. This one is easy one. I will give you question. Okay, can you solve that? Okay, everyone take one paper and a pen. I will give you the question. You solve it. Okay. Everyone take one pen and a paper. Can I set the question? Question soltapa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In a certain code, institution, okay, INSTITUTION, institution is written as NOITUTITSNI, okay, NOITUTITSNI. Institution is written in this way. How is perfection written in that code? Okay, that is the question. Option is NOICTEFREP. Option B, NOITCEFERP. Option C, NOITCEFRPE. Option D, NOITCEFREP. Option E, NOITCEFPER. What is the answer? It is easy question only, isn't it?
Reverse, sir. Reverse. You have to reverse the.
Yeah. We have to reverse the letters. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Everyone understood? புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அப்படியே இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய லெட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, என் லாஸ்ட் முடியறது என்ன, அதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொண்டு வரணும். அந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டரா ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர்ஸ் லாஸ்ட்ல வரணும், ஐன்றது லாஸ்ட்ல வரணும், அடுத்து என்னன்றது அதுக்கு முன்னாடி, அந்த மாதிரி ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? Next question. In a certain code word, products is written as products, PRODUCTS. Products is written as NPMBSARQ. Okay. In a certain code, products is written as NP, BS, ARQ. How is comprehension written in that code? Okay, this question is little bit tricky. Try it. In a certain code, products is written as NPM, BSARQ. How is comprehension written in that code? Answer is option கொடுக்குவா option கொடுக்குவாப்பா Can I give the option?
Yes, sir.
Okay. AM, option A. AM, K, N, P, C, F, C, L, O, M, L, Q. This is option A. Okay. Again, I am reading that option A, M, K, N, P, C, F, C, L, O, M, L, Q. Option B, A, M, K, N, P, C, F, C, L, Q, G, M, L. Option C, A, M, K, N, P, C, F, C, L, Q, G, N, L. Option D, A, M, K, N, P, C, F, C, K, O, M, L. Here. Answer is
Option B, sir.
option B. A, M. Again, read the answer. A, M. Read the answer, pa.
A, M, K, N, P, C, F, C, L, Q, G, M, L.
Okay, pa, correct. எப்படி பண்ணிருக்காங்க அத?
Every letter we move backward 2 letters, sir.
Yes, correct. Okay, அப்பா. ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டர்ஸும் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த லெட்டர்ஸ் வந்து அதுக்கு முன்னாடி 2 லெட்டர்ஸ் மூவ் ஆகணும். Clear? For example, P means what is the 2 letters? What is the previous letter of its previous letter? N, isn't it? NOP. In the same way, what is the previous letter of its previous letter? For R, P, isn't it? In the same way, for each and every letter you need to do. For C means A, O means M. Okay, that is the coding method. Let's we move to the next question. Did everyone can able to understand the format? புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியுதா? அடுத்த क्वेश्चन போலாமா? அடுத்த क्वेश्चन போலாமாப்பா? Okay. If festival is coded as MBWJUTFG, okay, if festival is coded as M, B, W, J, U, T, F, G. Then O, P, I, U, M would be coded as festival. F, E, S, T, I, V, A, L is coded as M, B, W, J, U, T, F, G. Okay. Then opium, O, P, I, U, M would be coded as option A, N, O, H, T, L. Option B, N, T, H, N, O. Option C, N, V, J, Q, P. Option D, M, U, I, P, O. And the answer is
Repeat the options, sir.
option A, NOHTL. Option A is NOHTL. Option B is NTHNO. Option C is NVJQP. Option D, MUIPO.
Option C, sir. NVJQP. Sir,
Everyone listening the class? நான் சொன்னது புரிஞ்சுச்சா?
yes, sir.
ஓகே. அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க, எப்படி ஓகேப்பா, சரி. இப்ப கோடிங் டீகோடிங் அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு கிளியரா புரியுது இல்லையா? Isn't it? என்னப்பா, கோடிங் டீகோடிங் மீன்ஸ் இப்போதைக்கு கோடிங்னா என்ன, டீகோடிங்னா என்ன, எப்படி பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்றது கிளியரா புரியுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
ஓகே, இது வரைக்கும் நான் உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன டாபிக் எடுத்திருக்கேன்?
Blood relations.
பிளட் ரிலேஷன்ஸ் எடுத்திருப்பேன். கோடிங் டீகோடிங் இன்னைக்கு எடுத்திருக்கேன். டைரக்ஷனல் சென்ஸ் எடுத்தாச்சா?
Yes, sir.
எஸ், டைரக்ஷனல் சென்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன். Can you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
4 டாபிக்ஸ் இது வரைக்கும் சொல்லிருக்கீங்க. இந்த 4 டாபிக்ஸ்ல எதுலனா உங்களுக்கு டவுட் இருக்கா? லாஜிக்கல் சீக்வென்ஸ் ஆஃப் வேர்ட்ஸ், டைரக்ஷனல் சென்ஸ், பிளட் ரிலேஷன்ஸ், அப்புறம் இன்னைக்கு எடுத்த கோடிங் டீகோடிங். இந்த 4 டைப் ஆஃப் சம்ஸும் கொடுத்தா நீங்க ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுவீங்க இல்லையா? என்னப்பா ஞாபகம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? மறந்துட்டீங்களா எல்லா டாபிக்குமே?
Sir, 3 topics.
Yes, sir. 3 topics only, sir.
3 டாபிக்ஸ் தான். அப்படியா? என்னென்ன? பிளட் ரிலேஷன்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன், இன்னொன்னு
Blood relations,
டைரக்ஷனல் சென்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன், இது கோடிங் டீகோடிங். இது 3 மட்டும் தானா?
Yes, sir.
என்னப்பா?
Yes, sir. 3 மட்டும் தான், sir.
ஓகே, அப்ப லாஜிக்கல் சீக்வென்ஸ் ஆஃப் வேர்ட்ஸ் இன்னும் எடுக்கலையா உங்களுக்கு?
இல்ல, sir.
ஓகே ஓகே, சரி. கியூப்ஸ் வேற ஏதாவது டாபிக் எடுத்திருக்கேனா? கியூப்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி கியூப் எடுத்திருக்கேனா?
No, sir. The 3 topics மட்டும் தான் sir எடுத்திருக்கீங்க.
ஓகேப்பா, ஓகே, சரி. அப்ப நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல நாம என்ன பண்றோம், லாஜிக்கல் சீக்வென்ஸ் ஆஃப் வேர்ட்ஸ் எடுக்கிறேன். ஓகேவா? ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. இந்த 3 டாபிக்ஸ்ல ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருக்கா? இந்த 3 டாபிக்ஸ்ல இருந்தும் சம் கொடுத்தா நீங்க போடுவீங்க இல்லையா? அதாவது நான் எடுத்த மெத்தட்ஸ் எல்லாமே. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கோடிங் டீகோடிங்னா வேர்ட்ஸ், அடுத்து சென்டென்சஸ், சிம்பிள்ஸ், இந்த மாதிரி அதோட கோட் வேர்ட்ஸ். உங்களை கோட் வேர்ட்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா கோடிங் டீகோடிங் பண்ணுவீங்க இல்லையா? என்னப்பா பதிலே இல்ல? கோடிங் டீகோடிங் ஓகே தானே?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் பிளட் ரிலேஷன்ஸ்ல என்னென்ன டைப்ஸ் இருக்குப்பா? ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? பிளட் ரிலேஷன்ஸ்ல போட்டோகிராஃப் ரிலேட்டட் சம்ஸ், அதுக்கப்புறம் சிம்பிள்ஸை வச்சு ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் இண்டிகேட் பண்ற சம்ஸ், இன்னொன்னு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்து ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டை வெரிஃபை பண்ற சம்ஸ். கரெக்டா? என்னப்பா ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? எல்லாத்துக்கும் எஸ் சார் எஸ் சார்னு சொல்லாதீங்க, உண்மையிலேயே ஞாபகம் இருக்கா?
இருக்கு சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே, ஞாபகம் இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஓகே, ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கேளுங்க. நான் ஒரு 5 minutes கண்டிப்பா வெயிட் பண்றேன். ஓகேவா? இந்த டவுட் செஷன் முடிச்ச உடனே நாம கிளாஸ் வைண்ட் அப் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேவா? எனி டவுட் பா? அடுத்து இன்னொன்று டைரக்ஷனல் சென்ஸ். மோஸ்ட்லி டைரக்ஷனல் சென்ஸ்லையும் அதே மாதிரி தான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்கள் இருக்கிற டைரக்ஷனை பொறுத்து ரைட் லெஃப்ட் அந்த மாதிரி கொடுக்கறது ஒன்று. இன்னொன்று கவுண்டர் கிளாக் வைஸ் ஆர் ஆன்டி கிளாக் வைஸ் அந்த மாதிரி கொடுக்கறது, இல்லை கிளாக் வைஸ் அந்த மாதிரி கொடுக்குற சம் செகண்ட் டைப். தேர்ட் ஒன் இத்தனை டிகிரி ஆங்கிளில் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைட் டர்ன் பண்ணுறாரு, இது தேர்ட் டைப். கரெக்டா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ரைட் ஆர் லெஃப்ட், next one is right 90 degree, right 180 degree or left 180 degree, அது மாதிரி degree related. Next one is clockwise, anti clockwise, இல்ல counter இல்ல anti clockwise or counter clockwise direction. ஓகேவா? இந்த 3 டைப் இல்ல 4 டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் சம்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா? இந்த மாதிரி இந்த 3 டைப் ஆஃப் क्वेश्चंसல ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருக்கா? Any doubts, pa? No doubts? Any doubts? என்னப்பா அமைதியா இருந்தா கிளாஸை வைண்ட் அப் பண்ணிடுவாரு அப்படின்னு அமைதியா இருக்கீங்களோ? எனி டவுட்ஸ்? டவுட் இல்லைனாலும் சொல்லுங்க, டவுட் இல்லை சார் அப்படின்னாச்சு.
Doubt இல்ல சார்.
ஓகேப்பா, ஓகே. Shall we wind the session?
சார்
சார் இப்போ
Thank you,
அடுத்த
pa.
கிளாஸ் நோட்ஸ் அனுப்பிடுங்க சார்.
இதுக்கான நோட்ஸா? ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. சாஃப்ட் காப்பி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட ஆக்சுவலாக கொடுக்கக்கூடாது, சரிங்களா? அதனால சாஃப்ட் காப்பி நான் அனுப்ப முடியாது. ஒன்லி ஹார்ட் காப்பி காலேஜ்லேருந்து உங்களுக்கு ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகேவா? நானும் இதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் முன்னாடி ஏதோ ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல நீங்க கேட்கறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன், isn't it? இந்த மாதிரி சாஃப்ட் காப்பி நான் தர மாட்டேன், வேணும்னா ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் வேணும்னா எடுத்துக்கோங்க, நான் கிளாஸ் எடுக்கும்போது அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸை அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன் இல்லையா? Isn't it?
சார் இல்ல சார், நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி டைரக்ஷனல் சென்ஸோட சாஃப்ட் காப்பியை குரூப்ல போட்டு
எஸ். இருங்க இருங்க இருங்க. கரெக்ட். அதுதான் அந்த மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அப்போ போட்டேன் இல்லையா, டைரக்ஷனல் சென்ஸோட சாஃப்ட் காப்பி. அந்த மாதிரி போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் எனக்கு இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் கொடுத்தது, இந்த மாதிரி சாஃப்ட் காப்பியை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட கொடுக்க கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஒன்லி ஹார்ட் காப்பி தான் உங்களுக்கு வரும், சரிங்களா? அதனால ஹார்ட் காப்பி உங்களுக்கு பிரிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு காலேஜ்ல இருந்து ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதனால சாஃப்ட் காப்பி நான் கொடுக்க கூடாது, ஓகேவா? இஃப் யூ நீட் மீன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு ரெஃபரன்ஸ் வேணா நான் சொல்றேன், எதுல இருந்து எடுக்கிறது இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க அந்த புக்ஸை வேணும்னா செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க, ஓகேவா? மோஸ்ட்லி இந்த லாஜிக்கல் ரீசனிங்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா கொஸ்டின்ஸும், ஓகே, ஆல் த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் விச் இஸ் டேக்கன் ஃப்ரம் த டேக்கன் இன் லாஜிக்கல் ரீசனிங் ஆர் டேக்கன் ஃப்ரம் reasoning and non-reasoning from R.S. Agarwal. Okay. Verbal and non-verbal reasoning from R.S. Agarwal. புக்ல இருந்து தான் இது ஃபுல்லாவே எடுக்கிறது, ஓகேவா? அதுல லாஜிக்கல் ரீசனிங்க்குன்னு தனியாகவும் இருக்கு. அந்த புக்ஸ் நீங்க வாங்குறதுனாலும் வாங்கிக்கோங்க, இல்ல வெர்பல் நான் வெர்பல் ரீசனிங் பை R.S. Agarwal புக், இந்த புக் வாங்குறதுனாலும் வாங்கிக்கோங்க. கிளியர்? என்னப்பா, ஆர்எஸ் அகர்வால் புக்கை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. அதுலேருந்து தான் நான் எடுத்த டாபிக்ஸ் எல்லாமே கவர் ஆகிறது. அதனால நீங்க வெளியில இன்டர்நெட்ல சர்ச் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்ற அவசியம் இருக்காது, ஓகேவா? இன்கேஸ் இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஆர்எஸ் அகர்வால்ல கிடைக்கல அப்படின்னா ஆன்லைன்ல சர்ச் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு ரெடி பண்ற நோட்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஒருத்தரே ரெடி பண்ணல, நிறைய ஃபேக்கல்டிஸ் சேர்ந்து தான் ரெடி பண்றது, ஓகே? ஸோ பெட்டர் டு ஃபாலோ ஆர்எஸ் அகர்வால் புக். கிளியர்? லெட்ஸ் வி வைண்ட் அப் த செஷன்.
எஸ் சார்.
எனி டவுட்? வேற ஏதாச்சும் இருக்கா டாபிக்கை பத்தி? லாஜிக்கல் ரீசனிங்க்கு நீங்க புக் ஃபாலோ பண்ண வேண்டிய புக்கு ஒன்னு லாஜிக்கல் ரீசனிங் ஆர்எஸ் அகர்வால் புக் ஒன்னு இருக்கு, அதை வாங்கிக்கோங்க. இல்ல இந்த வெர்பல் ரீசனிங் நான் வெர்பல் ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கும், இந்த புக் வாங்குறதுனாலும் வாங்கிக்கோங்க. பிளஸ் நீங்க உங்களுக்கு ஹார்ட் காப்பி காலேஜ்ல இருந்து தருவாங்க, அதனால நீங்க இந்த புக் வாங்கணும் அப்படின்ற அவசியம் மோஸ்ட்லி இருக்காது. சரிங்களா? தேங்க்யூப்பா, தேங்க்யூ. ஹாப்பி நியூ இயர். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, sir, and wish you the same, sir.
Advance Happy New Year, sir. Thank you, sir.